Welcome to NASA Space App Challenge 2022. Our team name is Expectation Zero. This is our team. We have Fahim Muntazir as the team lead, Farhana Rahman Shukti as project analyst, Labib Hassan as front-end developer, MD Shoaib Hussain as back-end developer, and Rakibul Hassan as the data analyst. I am presenting our project whose category is On the Way to the Sun. Going back in the time, on April 28, 2021, NASA's groundbreaking solar probe made history by becoming the first spacecraft to touch the sun's surface. NASA's Parker Solar Probe has flown through the sun's upper atmosphere, the corona, and sampled particles and magnetic fields there. With this new milestone, solar science has made a significant advancement, and scientists will uncover vital information about our nearest stars and its impact on the solar system. And our goal is to devise a strategy that will allow us to tell our younger audience the remarkable narrative of Parker's record-breaking voyage from Earth to Sun, as well as all the difficulties that it overcomes along the way in our native language. The major barrier between the knowledge and the native learners is the language, and it gets more difficult for many to understand new things in foreign language. Besides, the web applications are not even user-friendly, just stuffed with unnecessary information which may leave the target audience in dark. The main feature of our website will be in the native language with real-life data from NASA using NASA's API. We will create 3D animation of our solar system, Parker Solar Probe, and navigation with audio explanation of critical analysis. And we have tried to ease those with our approaches by making a web application with user-friendly UI UX. We have also planned to launch various awareness campaigns through our web app for young learners, from which they can have a closer and more precise look at space science in our native language. The planned designs are simple, straightforward, and exactly to the point. For our system architecture, we will use HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript in the front end, Node.js for backend, and SQL for the database, as our primary purpose was to animate all the surrounding elements of the sun with the Parker Solar Probe to visualize the content for our audience. That's why we will use a JavaScript library named 3JS that can render 3D objects through WebGUI on a web page. For real-time synchronization of the project, we will use NASA's sophisticated API in our web application. And this presents the prototype. We respectfully acknowledge our partners for helping us get this far. From intensive research with our existing competitors, we found their web apps use outdated technologies with complex UI UX design, and lack of interaction tend to discourage learners. To distinguish out from the competition, we have emphasized unique features and user-friendly layout that will increase attention and provide pleasurable experience to our audience. In the future, when we will be a large company with multiple services, then we will provide our user with a subscription-based service, where the basic plan will be free, then the premium package 500 taka for 6 months, and finally the exclusive package for only 800 taka for 1 year. Last but not the least, it wouldn't have been possible without all those data, APIs, and piece of information that were always ready to use at the official site of NASA. Thank you.